Welcome to Entertainment with Last YouTube channel. New Tesla robot makes Boston Dynamics robot obsolete. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming updates. Let's start the video. Tesla CEO Elon Musk kicked off Tesla AI Day 2022 with a quick level set of expectations. We've come a long way, and then stepped aside to allow the first iteration of its robot to walk out onto the stage. The robot wasn't a human dressed in a robot costume like last year. Instead, Tesla introduced a functioning robot, albeit with exposed cables and a bit wobbly, at its second annual event. According to Musk, it was the first time it was working without any support, cranes, mechanical mechanisms, or cables. After a brief turn about the stage, the robot left the stage before the rest of the presentation continued, which included presentations from more than a dozen members of the company's AI and hardware teams, and several short videos of the robot, now tethered for stability, carrying a box in an office, watering a plant, and lifting a small piece of metal in the Tesla factory in Fremont, California. The aim of the demo and ensuing bot presentation, in which a number of Tesla employees gave what can only be described as a bipedal robotics 101 course, was to show more progress. After all, anything beyond a human in a costume could be considered progress. Instead, the event aimed to telegraph where Tesla is headed, shore up confidence in its trajectory, and hopefully, recruit the talent it needs to further the program. Eventually, Musk said the first-gen prototype, which he referred to as Bumble C, will evolve into Optimus. This eventual robot will be able to walk efficiently and stay balanced, carry a 20-pound bag, use tools, and have a precision grip for small robots. The Bumble C prototype is outfitted with a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack, which one Tesla employee said was perfect for about a full day's worth of work. Tesla did show off a second bot, which didn't have the same functionality as the Bumble C, but had an outwardly sleeker appearance. This bot, which could not walk, was brought out on stage by staff. Some of the specs of the robot have changed since last year. For instance, the weight of the bot has moved up from 125 pounds to 160 pounds. Perhaps the most interesting part of the Tesla Bot Roadshow was the repeated reference and crossover with Tesla vehicles, and notably its autopilot strategy. The company said it is leveraging its energy products and using those components for the bot, including battery management. The supercomputer used in Tesla vehicles is also in the Tesla Bot, and Tesla is tapping the hardware and software used in its advanced driver assistance system Autopilot for the bot as well. The Tesla Bot is also equipped with wireless connectivity, as well as audio support and hardware-level security features, which the company said are important to protect both the robot and the people around the robot. The big looming question is whether all of these efficiencies, once combined in the bot, will result in a scalable robot that works. Of course, Musk thinks it's possible, going as far as to say that he envisions the Optimus will be just $20,000. Toward the end of the nearly 3-hour program, which also included presentations on the company's FSD software and Dojo supercomputer program, Musk said the Tesla bot would start small. "We're gonna start Optimus with very simple tests in the factory," Musk said. "You know, like maybe just loading a part as you saw on the video." He later added, "Right now, we just want to make basic humanoid work well, and our goal is the fastest path to a useful humanoid robot." Tesla revealed on Friday a prototype of a humanoid robot that it says could be a future product for the automaker. The robot, dubbed Optimus by Tesla, walked stiffly on stage at Tesla's AI Day, slowly waved at the crowd, and gestured with its hands for roughly 1 minute. Tesla CEO Elon Musk said that the robot was operating without a tether for the first time. Robotics developers often use tethers to support robots because they aren't capable enough to walk without falling and damaging themselves. "The robot can actually do a lot more than we just showed you," Musk said at the event. "We just didn't want it to fall on its face." Tesla also showed videos of its robot performing simple tasks like carrying boxes and watering plants with a watering can. Musk claimed that if the robot was produced in mass volumes, it would probably cost less than $20,000. Tesla maintains that Optimus' advantage over competitors will be its ability to navigate independently using technology developed from Tesla's driver assistance system, full self-driving, as well as cost savings from what it has learned about manufacturing from its automotive division. Tesla's full self-driving requires a human that is alert and attentive, ready to take over at any time, as it is not yet capable of fully driving itself. Tesla has a history of aggressive price targets that it doesn't ultimately reach. The Tesla Model 3 was long promised as a $35,000 vehicle, but could only very briefly be purchased for that price, and not directly on its website. The most affordable Tesla Model 3 now costs $46,990. When Tesla revealed the Cybertruck in 2019, its pickup truck that remains unavailable for purchase today, it was said to cost $39,990, but the price has since been removed from Tesla's website. Tesla AI Day is intended largely as a recruiting event to attract talented people to join the company. Musk claimed the robot could be transformative for civilization. The robot displayed Friday, despite its limitations compared to competitors, was significantly ahead of what Tesla revealed a year ago, when a person jumped on stage in a robot suit and danced around. Last year was just a person in a robot suit, Musk said before the robot walked on stage. We've come a long way. Compared to that, it's going to be very impressive. Tesla is not the first automaker to develop a humanoid robot. Along with Hyundai's Boston Dynamics, Honda worked on robots dubbed Asimo for nearly 20 years. In its final form, Asimo was a child-sized humanoid robot capable of untethered walking, running, climbing, and descending stairs, and manipulating objects with its fingers. That's all for today. Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for upcoming amazing and informative